So good push off the bell here on LEXX. Pretty decent little volume. Let's see if it wants to hold some support for us. Let me take a look. Neuro is still halted obviously at 1886. It's straight up off the bell. Good volume. Really good volume. This thing still has a lot of potential, guys. Let's take advantage of this time here and take a look at the daily chart. Map out some more levels on this one. What do we got here? 17, 18 bucks. At $17 level could be a potential support zone. So at $17 level could be a potential support zone. All right, so let's see what happens here. I got the stream back up and running on YouTube as well. So hopefully now it will not freeze up on me again. We got Neuro halted. CEMI making new highs here. Wow, good volume on this one, guys. Really good volume on CEMI. They held that bottom support we talked about here in the 390s. So that's good. All right, we want to see that. LEXX is trading a little bit sideways right now. Good range on it. It has decent volume. Let's check in on MEDS. MEDS, good volume as well. Trading a little bit sideways. Let's check in on AMC. What's AMC doing? AMC pulled in here, held that $41 level. Wanted to see a little bit deeper pull in there though. Let's check in on the SPY. SPY pulled, pushed straight up off the bell. We'll be watching that one as well for maybe some calls. So definitely keeping Neuro on watch. I have to imagine this thing's going to push right off that halt, maybe a little gap up and then a push. All right, so we're going to wait and see how this one reacts off of the resumption. Let's check in on CEMI in the meanwhile. CEMI, no pullback, still pushing straight up. Meds, just trading sideways, choppy. LEXX. LEXX maybe setting up a double bottom here. Might be setting up a double bottom there, guys. Got to keep eyes on LEXX. Well, we got to see if that double bottom at 8 holds. Could be, Adrian. Meds pulling in there, new low of day. CEMI still pushing, man. This thing's not. It has no chill button right now. SPY pulling in a little bit there. The Great Freight Sage Logic. Man, that's a long username. Welcome to the chat. So guys, those of you on YouTube who don't know, I am also, primarily streaming over at daytraderchatroom.com. That is where I have all my courses and members. There's a 5-day trial there in chat for you. Watching the SPY here. This is a pretty calm pullback. Morning, Osvaldo. Just watching a SPY, see if it's going to hold this area here. There's a lot. It's like I said, there's a lot to watch this morning, so you got to be careful. SPY's not really getting that bounce just yet there. Going to keep it on watch. NURO still halted to the upside. CEMI still... Okay, now it's kind of starting to push in a little bit. Now it's starting to pull in a little bit here. CEMI. LEXX. LEXX off that double bottom, guys. Oh, damn it, it's going to go. I was trying to get an alert ready. I had no position in it. Hopefully it pulls back into VWAP. It's just going to go. Come on, man. I was literally typing up an alert, guys. I knew where my stop was. I was just waiting for my entry. Long LEXX, stop 850 area. That one's going to get halted now. Come on. That hurts to see. Oh, I'm going to watch this one and wait for a pullback. This is a lot like NURO yesterday with that double bottom. I was hoping it was going to give us one quick little pullback in here. One more. Well, one period. We double bottom, break through VWAP. I was looking for a quick little pullback back down here towards 880. I was going to set my stop down there at 850 and run it, but it just shot straight up, man. Well, now we're halted there. Gonna watch and see what happens out of this halt. I want to see $9 hold support out of this halt. It would be nice to get a pullback into that level. NUR is still halted. SPY holding holding that VWAP area there. Well, almost not gonna let me get an entry either. You can see, guys, how quickly everything's moving this morning. You get one quick little pull in and bang. This is exactly what I was looking for. Exactly what I was looking for. By the time I typed out the call that I wanted to buy, here it is. Long SPY call, 433 strike. By the time I typed it out, we were already at the high day. And of course, I have no entry because I don't like to get into an entry and then start writing up my alert. By that time, it'll be late. But it's all good because whatever's strong is going to give us another opportunity. Could be LEXX at $9. Could be the SPY on a quick little pullback. I think Neuro, I think this might kill some of the momentum on Neuro. MEDS with similar action. Good volume on that push there. XCLA getting a little bounce on the daily here. Well, gonna just have to be patient and strike at the right moment. Still watching the SPY. CEMI maybe goes in double bottoms as well. LEXX still watching. See if we get a pullback on that one. All right, so LEXX straight through the high day there. It just opened up and went. Yeah, this one just opened up and went, but I am watching, see if pull back towards $9 on LEXX. See if we get something like that. So I'm watching for a calm pullback back down towards this level. See if it gives it to me. Doesn't look like it. Nope, there goes new highs. Same as the SPY. Well, that's great volume on the push higher. Just gotta wait for a pullback. Let's check in on AMC real quick. AMC grinding its way higher. You know, it hit the target. I was just hoping that it'd give us a cleaner setup. I was hoping it would give us a cleaner setup. Might not be able to trade that one today. Those SPY calls would have been money there, man. Neuro still halted, guys. This might kill the momentum on... Well, it probably will kill the momentum on it. MEDS. Gonna keep MEDS on watch along with LEXX. See if it gives me some sort of setup I can get long. $950s is lining up with VWAP and the 23.6 fib. That's an ugly, ugly, ugly candle we're putting in place there. Ugly, ugly candle. That's actually a pretty bearish signal. That's actually a pretty bearish signal there on LEXX. So I got to see what it does, how it wants to close off. MEDS, another new high, man. This thing just won't pull in. $8 is going to be strong resistance on MEDS. More than likely, you could see it plain as day here on the daily chart. So that'll be another level to watch. See if on a pullback, if it gets over 8, maybe on a pullback back down towards 8. LEXX pulling in now, but man, it's hard to get long after that nasty candle. Ugh, that's pretty nasty. But I'm going to keep it on watch here. It's possible if it survives this pullback. Gonna take a starter here on LEXX. Hoping it doesn't just tear through the high of day right now. Well, there it goes through the highs. Wow. These stocks have no chill this morning. No chance to add on this one either. These stocks have no chill, man. Flat there at 11.10. Oh, Cuban coffee. Just had it. These stocks have no chill. Guys, I'm going to end the stream at YouTube. This thing's struggling, I think, still. Yeah, George, I don't know what's going on. You know what, guys? If you're watching on YouTube, hit us up right now. Info at thedaytraderchatroom.com. Send us an email. We're going to give you free access to the chat today for the whole day. Okay? Because the stream's not working properly. So I don't know why that's happening.